7. Insult. You're so fake. Reply. Ironic coming from a copy-paste personality. 8. Insult. You talk too much. Reply. I have substance, unlike your silence. 9. Insult. You think you're better than everyone else. Reply. No, just better than you. 10th insult. You're such a joke. Reply. At least I'm funny. You're just sad. 11th insult. You're so boring. Reply. At least I don't need drama to feel alive. 12th insult. Nobody cares what you think. Reply. You cared enough to say that. 13th insult. You're pathetic. Reply. And yet here you are wasting time on me. 14th insult. You'll never be good enough. Reply. Good enough for what? Your standards. Pass. 15th insult. You're so immature. Reply. Funny coming from someone who throws tantrums. 17th insult. Your life must be sad. Reply. I'd explain it, but you wouldn't get it from your perspective. 17th insult. You're not even good looking. Reply. That's okay. I'll settle for being better at everything else. 18. Insult. You're such a failure. Reply. And yet you're still trying to compete with me? Interesting. 19th insult. You've got no friends. Reply. Better alone than surrounded by fakes like you. 20. Insult. You're always so dramatic. Reply. Someone has to keep things interesting when you're around. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, all of you.